Welcome back to Kid Band TV. Another day of Summerpalooza. Well, Kid Fam, this is another thing to check off the list. Getting caught in the rain.
Make it rain. Make it rain down, Lord.
As you can tell, so let's play in the rain. We hope you enjoy your summer and don't forget to get caught in the rain. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. For all our new content, get caught in the rain. Like she said. See you tomorrow.
Peace out.